Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to receive SMS notifications for people you may know on Facebook, right from your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of your screen. It's the bell-shaped icon. Step 3. Next, click on the 3 dots to access the notification settings. Step 4. Select Notification Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In the notification settings, find and click on People You May Know to open the options for these notifications. Step 6. Finally, toggle on the switch next to SMS to enable SMS notifications for People You May Know. Also, make sure to toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you'll stay informed about potential connections through SMS notifications, expand your network, and never miss an opportunity to connect with people you may know on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.